On my client today, I'll be doing a keratin treatment and an extension maintenance with a twist. Before we get started, I need to refresh her color by using Wella Color 4-Stroke 6. Since we are doing a keratin treatment right after, I'll have to detoxify her hair by using a pH balanced shampoo. After I'm done prepping her hair for the keratin, here I am applying it to 1.5 inch sections, and then I'm dabbing the treatment on her hair and massaging it in. Once I blow dry her hair, I start doing a silk press on her hair, and I just like to pass the flat iron through until I see that shine. And this was the beautiful result with the color and the keratin, but just wait because now we're getting started with the extension install. My client wants to wear her braids and pigtails, so here I am cutting the extensions in half so she's able to split her hair in half without having to see the extensions. Here I am building my foundation. Once I'm done with the beads, I do clamp them together and I lay my wefts on the bottom and on top because I like to do this unseen method. I love this nice little twist because she's able to wear her hair whichever way without seeing the wefts. And look at this beautiful end result.